Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the collection object in Shopify Liquid. The first property is title. If you would like to get the product collection title, you will simply type curly braces collection.title and it will display your collection title. Next, we have product collection description. If you would like to get the collection description, simply type collection.description and it will display the collection description for you. Next we have a collection image, and if you would like to get the collection image, you can simply type collection.image and then pass the filter image URL, add the size of the image. If you need the full large size, you can pass large and it will give you the collection image URL, and you can use that in the image tag and result will be something like this. Next we have collection handle, and you can see we have collection.handle field, and if you would like to get the handle of the collection, you simply type collection.handle. Next we have collection URL. If you want to link your collection, simply type collection.url in href anchor tag and it will link to your collection and it will return the collection URL collection link in the href. Next we have collection ID. If you would like to get the collection ID, you can simply type the collection ID. Okay, next, if you would like to know how many products in your collection, simply type collection.product underscore count. It will give you the total number of the product exist in that specific collection. So if you would like to know how many products fall in this collection, simply type collection.product underscore count. Okay. Now if you are on the collection page and you would like to loop through all the products, simply type product in collection.products. It will return all the products in that specific collection, and you can display the image of the collection, you can display the title of the collection, you can display the price of the collection like this. And if you need the price, you can pass the money filter and then it will display in correct price format. So this is how you can loop through all the products of the collection. Next we have tags. So it will return all the product tags which are fall in that collection. So if you would like to get all the tags of the product which exist in this collection, simply type for tag in collection all tags. It will return all the tags those are being used in the product that exist in this collection. So next we have current tag. If you would like to get the current tag, you can get the collection.current tags. And then we have sort by. If you would like to get the sort by, you can simply type collection.sort by and it will tell you how your collection is being sorted. Next we have the default sort by. If you would like to get the default sort by is the manual. And now if you would like to get the meta field of the collection, simply type collection.metafield the namespace and the key of your metafield, and it will display the metafield of that collection. Simply type collection.metafields.custom.banner.value and it will display the value of that metafield. So you can replace the name of the namespace and the key of your metafield. This is for the example, but you can replace that with your Metafield, namespace and key. Next, these are all the fields: collection title, handle, ID, description, images, products, product count, all tags sorted by any Metafield, and here you can see the result. Okay, this is the complete collection object, where we have a div and then we display the image of the collection, then we display the title, then description, then loop through all the products, and in the products we get the image and the product title and the price, etc. So here you can see the collection image, collection title, description, and the products, and the product has images, title, and the money. So this is a simple walkthrough of the collection object. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.